Hey guys, it's Tanieya. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to make this wig with this weaving cap. I think it was $1.99. You're going to need a crochet hook and the dome head, of course. The dome head I think was like $4 at the beauty supply store, but every beauty supply store should have these. So I'm just putting on that dome cap onto my dome head, and you're gonna have like extra cap as you can see right here. So what I'm doing is just going to fold that over and just sew that down so it won't be sticking up looking all cuckoo crazy, okay? Okay, so this is the hair that I'm using. Screenshot this. Okay, I got this from divatrust.com. They sent me about 6 packs of this hair to use, but I only used 5 packs for this style. I didn't even want to use 5 packs, but apparently you are going to need a good amount of hair for doing like a full wig. And what I did was I just inserted the crochet hook in one of the loops, and I just crocheted the hair to the loop. And you can space out your hair pretty far because you are going to separate the curls, so you don't need to crochet each piece of hair right next to each other. Please space them out. Okay, so now just fast forwarding to me basically almost being done. So I'm just continuing the same thing, just spacing the hair out as much as possible because again, we're going to be pulling apart these curls, so that's definitely going to cover any open spaces. Okay, so now we're just going to start to separate the curls. So just make sure you get as many pieces as possible. I didn't get to separate every single last curl, but do as many of them as you can because there's so much hair in this wig. But just separate the curls, and then we're going to put on the wig and kind of shape it and cut it into the style that suits my face. Okay, so I had to go into my bathroom for this part so I can have a mirror in front of me. So I am just trying to give it a little bit of layers, just pulling out some of the hair and cutting it where I feel like it needs to be cut. And I'm just trying to make the length like as even as I could get it. But at the same time, you gotta remember like this wig is just gonna be like kind of wild and poofy and big because it's kind of like a curly afro. So yeah, I'm just constantly picking it out, and I did try to cut the curls in the front a little shorter so it can be kind of like a bang. Okay, so here is the final look of this curly froey wig. I love the color of this hair. It's like a 1B, but it has brown tips. It's super cute. You can definitely use this hair for a bunch of other crochet hairstyles, which I think I'm going to do in the future. And remember, this hair is from divatrust.com, and I'll leave all the information down in the description box. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!